back, viewers. You're watching India Today. Very good afternoon to you. This is Shreya Kundu this side, and we are bringing to you breaking news right at the top of this segment of the bulletin. Prime Minister Modi's big attack on Congress, wherein the Prime Minister comes out to say every state is teaching Congress a lesson. Congress is poised to hit century of defeats. Congress has now launched an offensive on the nation. Congress is now left without tearing its own clothes. Condition of war prevails globally. The government is ensuring citizens face fewest of hardships in this situation. Congress is attempting to create panic in the society, however, and Congress only wants to abuse Prime Minister Modi. Congress is becoming a puppet in the hand of a few forces. This has been the Prime Minister's remarks from Assam, where he currently is visiting while inaugurating several developmental projects. In fact, this one is of the Silchar corridor, Shillong to Silchar corridor that has just been inaugurated by him. Post this, he will be traveling to Kolkata for his next segment of the rally. But yes, a very brutal attack coming in against the Congress. Listen in to some of the excerpts from his address in Silchar.
जैसे कांग्रेस ने नॉर्थ ईस्ट को अपने हाल पर छोड़ दिया था, ठीक वैसे ही बराक वैली को भी बेहाल करने में कांग्रेस की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका रही है। जब देश आजाद हुआ तो कांग्रेस ने ऐसी बाउंड्री खींचने दी जिसे बराक घाटी का समंदर से संपर्क ही कट गया। जो बराक वैली कभी ट्रेड रूट के रूप में, एक औद्योगिक केंद्र के रूप में जानी जाती थी, उस बराक वैली से उसकी ताकत ही छीन ली गई। कांग्रेस की सरकारें बॉर्डर एरिया को देश के अंतिम गांव मानती थी। हम बॉर्डर के गांवों को देश के पहले गांव मानते हैं और इसलिए बॉर्डर एरिया के विकास के लिए कछार जिले से ही वाइब्रेंट विलेज प्रोग्राम का अगला चरण शुरू किया था। साथियों, कांग्रेस ने असम के युवाओं को सिर्फ हिंसा और आतंकवाद के कुचक्र में ही उलझाए रखा था। कांग्रेस ने असम को फूट डालो और राज करो की नीति की प्रयोगशाला बनाया। आज असम के युवाओं के सामने अवसरों का खुला आसमान है। आज असम भारत के सेमीकंडक्टर सेक्टर का अहम हिस्सा बन रहा है। दिल्ली में सफलतापूर्वक विश्व की एक नई आशा पैदा करने वाला एआई समिट हुआ। दुनिया भर के नेता, दुनिया भर की टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनियां, टेक्नोलॉजी के बड़े बड़े लीडर दिल्ली आए थे। कांग्रेस ने इस समिट को बदनाम करने के लिए कपड़ा फाड़ प्रदर्शन किया। अब कांग्रेस के पास खुद के कपड़े फाड़ने के सिवाय कुछ नहीं बचा है। युद्ध से जो स्थितियां बनी है, हमारी सरकार उससे निपटने के लिए हमारे देश के नागरिकों को कम से कम मुसीबत आए, इसलिए हो सके उतने सारे प्रयास कर रही है। हमारा प्रयास है कि देश के नागरिकों पर युद्ध का कम से कम प्रभाव पड़े। इस समय कांग्रेस से उम्मीद थी कि वो एक जिम्मेदार राजनीतिक दल की भूमिका निभाए, लेकिन कांग्रेस देश हित के इस महत्वपूर्ण काम में भी फिर एक बार फेल हो गई। कांग्रेस पूरी कोशिश कर रही है कि देश में पैनिक क्रिएट हो, देश मुश्किल में फंस जाए और उसके बाद कांग्रेस भर भर कर मोदी को गाली दे।
Now, Tapash Sengupta joins us on the broadcast with more details and context to what's been said by the Prime Minister. Tapash, this is his comments in Silchar, the Prime Minister's comments in Silchar. He's come down heavily on the Congress. He has spoken about, he's made a lot of references, to the series of defeats that the Congress has faced across state assembly elections. He's also made a very veiled dig with regards to that AI summit protest that had taken place. And more importantly, he's spoken about rumor mongering amid a time when we are looking at an LPG crisis in the country with the West Asian war raging. Do put all of this into context as we look at Assam heading into elections next.
Well, see, we had heard Prime Minister Modi launching a scathing attack at the Congress party while addressing a public rally in Silchar, where he has taken several references of the Congress and its role in recent past, be it the protest at the AI summit in Delhi or the kind of stance that Congress had taken during this war-like situation in West Asia. He went on to allege that the Congress is now working against the nation at the moment, the kind of rumor mongering that they have been doing. This is a testing time for the country where all the political parties or all the people should come and act united. And being a responsible political party, it was expected that Congress would also join hands with with the central government and come together to combat this situation. However, it turned otherwise. Did not he categorically stated the way the rumors were spread by the Congress. That was absolutely unfortunate. But overall, Shreya, given the political dimension in the northeastern states, it has been a priority of the central government of Prime Minister Modi since 2014 to act each policy, and multiple developments have taken place. We had heard Himanta Biswa Sarma earlier on multiple occasions creating attacks on Gaurav Gogoi and his wife. So it's a very clear message that is only echoing in voice of Prime Minister. It's going to be a Congress book Assam in the upcoming election, and the narrative has been set by the Prime Minister himself. It's only echoing what Himanta Biswa Sarma has been saying for so long. It's going to be the Congress book Assam in upcoming elections, and given the role that Assam Congress had played, the role that the Congress had played in national politics in the recent past is what the Prime Minister only reiterated from the stage. Back to you.
Right, Tapash, thank you for bringing us all those details and putting what the Prime Minister has said in Silchar in context. We will keep coming back to you as the Prime Minister, in fact, makes his next stop as Kolkata. In fact, he will be addressing the public there from the iconic Brigade ground there. We will be tracking all those updates.